and well-renowned Raheja Developers has brought another exemplary and luxurious apartment for those who love to live life king size. These luxurious apartments are spread over 18.72 acres, strategically located in the heart of Gurgaon at Sector 78. Revanta is being constructed by well-reputed company Arabtec, the proud makers of tallest building Burj-khalifa. The speed of construction has been made possible by technology from Perry, whereby each slab gets constructed in about 6 days. Raheja Revanta gives options of high-rise Surya towers and low-rise tapas townhouses in sizes of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 BHK condominiums and penthouses. Speedy construction of tapas townhouses will result in possession to be given in the year 2017. The clubhouse at Revanta is the final word in luxurious wellness across India. The exclusive features of the Raheja Revanta include tallest sky bridge, infinity swimming pool, mini theatre, fitness center having gym, yoga and meditation center, spa and sauna, valet parking and lots more. This high-profile gated society is in close vicinity of proposed metro line and has great connectivity like 3 km from ITC Classic Golf Resort, 12 minutes drive from Medanta Medicity, 20 minutes distance from IGI Airport. So come and enjoy the luxurious life in the tallest building of Gurgaon.